right, in this video, I'm going to show you the different modes in the DJI Neo. So we're going to open up the app, and then we have to turn this, all right? So we're like this, okay. So now what we've got to do is we're going to go to the connection guide, all right, and we have to pick our drone. So this is our drone here, right? And I could go through them all here, but we're the DJI Neo. So all we have to do is really press on that. Then it's going to open up this page, and then you've got to decide how you're going to fly it, with goggles, with the controller, or just in a follow mode. So let's do the easiest thing. Let's do that. All right, so now what it's doing is it's searching for the device. But for it to search for the device, we have to turn it on. And they want you, first of all, to take off this gimbal hood. And if you look right here, you can see there's a little thing. We're going to squeeze it and pop it off. And that exposes the camera. And when you're in follow mode, you have to face it towards your face to get it going. But what we're going to do is we're just going to start it, because I want to show you how this thing works in all these different modes. So the first thing what you're going to do is, you first want to make sure you got your battery in. We got a battery in. I've got more here, by the way. But the first thing we're going to do is make sure we got the gimbal protector off. Then slide the battery in. We did that. Then you're going to do a press and then a press and hold. So this is the button that you do that on. You go press and then press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to see that little jittery movement, right? And then you'll see the nose of the camera moves around a little bit. But now we're in. So now we can go search for device. And so it's going to search for the camera. And there it is. Bam, we got it. So we're just going to click on that. And now it's connecting with the camera, and it wants to join. So I hit that. And this takes a couple, seconds to connect. Once it gets connected, then we're going to go, okay, yeah. So now it's, oh, bam. So now we're in. Let me turn this so you guys can see it. All right, so here we are. We're going to, it's telling us, watch out for stuff. Anyway, we got that, right? So let's hit that. And this is the start button here, okay? But what I want to show you guys is the different modes that you can do this in. So for me to do that, I'm on the start page. To make this thing launch, what I would do is I put it on my hand, point it towards my face, and just press that start button. It just takes off and starts following me. But what I want to do is I want to show you guys, all right, I want to show you guys all of these things right here. Notice when I tilt this, it gives me that red indication. That's telling me that you got to get it level. But you'll see all these things in here. I'm going to show you how those work. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings right here in the app. Let me show you. Right at the bottom, you're going to click on that. All right, and here they are. These are the different modes. Right now I have it in the follow mode, which means that it would just follow me around. If I wanted to change some of the things in that, what I would do is I would just click on this. See that little arrow? Watch. Now it's showing me what would happen if I did this. Now I can do it close, or I can do it medium, or I could do it far. All right, it's up to you. I'm going to put it on medium for right now. The height, I could go low, flat, or high. So, you just click on it, and it just does it. I'm going to leave it in the middle right now. And I'm in video mode, so that's pretty much it. Now, to get back, you go to the very top left-hand corner. You click that. Now, let's go to the next mode, all right? The next mode is called droning. You can see right now it's telling me that I've got a 4-meter rise and I'm in video. So if I click that, you're going to see this shows you what's going to happen. But if you notice right here, I can change it. I could go 2-meter rise, 4 meter, 6, or 10. I'm going to leave it on 4 for now. And then on the bottom, you got rise, or you could go flat. Well, we'll keep it on rise because we want it to run up. And I'm in the video mode. Now to get back, I would just click that. All right, so we did the first two. Now let's go to circle. So if I click on circle, it opens it up, and this is what it would look like. Okay, and then down here, you can change it. You can go 2, 4, 6, 10, or a 20-meter circle. Like if you're on a mountain, you might want to do that. But let's leave it at 4. And then the height could be flat, or you could go low. So it'd be close to you, or it'd be a little bit higher. So that's basically that. Now you go over here, you just click on that. And then over here you look, we did circle. So let's do rocket. Let's see what rocket is. Let's click on that. Rocket's when it shoots straight up. Now you can make it shoot 4, 6, or 10 meters. And the other thing you can do is you could do a rotation. It's on right now. If I turn it off, and then this would just go straight up. It wouldn't rotate. But if I put the rotation on, then it spins as it goes up, which is kind of cool. And we're on video. Let's go back. We're on Spotlight. Now you're the main character in this, right? So when you do Spotlight, it just kind of like follows you and kind of points at you. And when you do this, you got to make sure there's no trees or anything in the way. Anyway, let's just go back. Now let's go to Direction Track. All right, so this is interesting. You see how it's in front of me? And it just went off that little cliff there. You see that? That's kind of cool, right? Just went off that cliff. What you can do is you can go medium and you can go far. And let me just show you again what it looks like. You see that? That's kind of cool, right? Now you can change it by going in here. You could do helix. Look at that. You see that? Or you could do boomerang. Now watch this. All right. Or you could do Direction Track, which is the one that we started with. And you can go close, medium, or far. You can go low, flat, or high, and we're in video mode. So let's go back. Bam. And so those are all the different modes, okay? All right, so anyway, so these are all your different modes, right? So if I want to change it, like right now I'm in the follow mode. If I wanted to change it and do droney, I would click it once. Droney. All right, now if I wanted to go circle, I'd click it again. Circle. Whoops. If I wanted to do rocket, I go again. Rocket. And then if I wanted to do Spotlight, I'd go there. Spotlight. And if I wanted to do Direction Track. Direction Track. You see that? And let's go back to follow. Follow. All right, I'll go through them one more time. You guys ready? Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction Track. Okay. So that's basically the modes that you're in. And it's all up to you how you want to shoot it, depending on where you're at. I've got it on follow. So if when I'm doing this, you can notice where the green goes. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction Track. Follow. Bam. Done. And that's how you use the different modes. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Oh, to get back, you would just go to Control. Control takes you to where you're going to launch. All right? And that's it, baby. That's how you do it. Peace out.